Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the browser. Open Chrome and make sure it's up to date. Once done, sign into Chrome with your Google account so settings can follow you. If Chrome shows a sync prompt, accept it now. If not, go straight to the three-dot menu and open Settings. Make sure you use the account you want to sync. These steps ensure your preferences and history are eligible for sync before you enable detailed options. Now you'll enable and configure sync. Go to Settings, then You and Google, and select Sync and Google Services. Click Turn on Sync. Chrome will ask to confirm your account and choices. You can choose Sync Everything for convenience or manage what you sync to pick bookmarks, passwords, history, and more. Make sure to set encryption. Default uses your Google credentials, or you can create a custom passphrase for added security. This controls how your data is protected across devices. Finish by verifying sync is active. Return to sync settings and confirm the status and which data types are syncing. Make sure your other devices are signed into the same Google account and have Chrome Sync enabled so bookmarks and passwords appear consistently. If something doesn't sync, try signing out and back in, clearing cache, or re-enabling individual data types. One key troubleshooting tip: check Chrome//sync internals for errors and ensure no account level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.